welcome to you all to our English class of grade 1. I hope you are well and ready for our today's class. Are you ready? Very good. Today, what we are going to discuss? Can you remember what did we discuss in our last day? Yes, in our last day, we learned to say N, no sound, yes, and we also learned some words. We also learned to write over the dot for the letter N, uppercase N as well as lowercase n, yes. So today what we are going to discuss? Can you make a guess? Okay, keep on guessing. Before starting our lesson, I want to request you to be ready with your all the necessary materials. Are you ready with all your necessary materials? Do you have your English book? This is your English book. Take out your English book, pencil, some crayons or color pencils. You have to be ready with these materials. तयार हुनुहुन्छ आजको क्लासको लागि? आज हामीले के लिएर तयारी भएर बस्नुपर्छ? Your English book, then some crayons like that, okay? Because you have to color. Crayons पनि लिनुस् है. अनि त्यसपछि कलर पेन्सिल्स भए पनि हुन्छ. यस्तो कलर पेन्सिल्स भए पनि, crayons भए पनि है. So your book, crayons, pencil and other necessary materials. Okay, I hope you are already ready, yes? So we are going to start. We are going to start our class with a rhyme. Do you like listening to the rhyme? Good. I want to show you a rhyme. For the first time, I'll sing. You have to listen to me carefully. And from the second time, we'll sing together. Okay? After listening to the rhyme, you have to guess the topic. What we are going to discuss today. Okay? Okay. Let's start. Let's see here. अब मैले यो राइम गाएपछि हजुरहरूले आज हामी के पढ्दै छौं भनेर आजको टपिक गेस गर्नुपर्छ है. So listen to me very carefully for the first time. From the second time we'll sing together and we'll also guess the topic. Okay? Okay, let's start. N is for nose, na na nose. N is for nose, na na nose. N is for nest, na na nest. N is for nest, na na nest. Have you seen nest? Okay, I hope you have seen nest. Some of you have seen nest. Birds make nest, yes. Birds live in nest, yes. N is for nest, na na nest. N is for nest, na na nest. Egg is my best. Egg is my best. Do you like to have egg? Do you like to have egg? Of course, you must have eaten eggs. Yes, I also like eggs very much. Very good. This is the song. We'll sing it together now. Okay? अब हामी सँगै गाउने है? Okay, let's sing together. N is for nose, na na nose. N is for nose, na na nose. N is for nest, na na nest. N is for nest, na na nest. Egg is my best. Egg is my best. Very good. Can you sing it yourself? Okay, this is the time for you to sing. I'll listen. Just try. Okay? Okay. I'll also sing together then. N is for nose, na na nose. N is for nose, na na nose. N is for nest, na na nest. N is for nest, na na nest. Egg is my best. Egg is my best. Very good. Okay? This is the rhyme. We sang it. Did you guess anything? I had already told you to guess the topic after listening to this rhyme. Did you guess anything? what words are repeated here? What words are repeated here frequently? Can you see? N is for nose. N is for nest. Okay. So, they are the words starting with which letter? N is for nest. N. No sound. Yes. Next. N is for nest. No sound. Yes. So, today also we are going to discuss about the alphabet N, that is pronounced as na. N is for nose, na sound. N is for nest, na sound. Yes. N is for nurse, na sound. It means today also we are dealing something with the alphabet N, that is pronounced as na, that produce na sound. Yes. Very good. Okay. After doing this, I want to show you something. You have to answer me. Okay. I want to show you. I'll show you. You have to tell me which alphabet is this. Okay. Okay. Look here. What is that? Okay. This is the alphabet N. Here are two alphabets, uppercase N and lowercase n. Today we are going to discuss about the alphabet N. Okay, uppercase N and lowercase n. You know very well uppercase and lowercase alphabets. Yes. So we'll learn to write both uppercase alphabet as well as lowercase alphabet N. Okay. Okay, then tell me, what is this? Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Is this A? No. What is this? What is this? K. Very good. This is K. Which K? Uppercase K or lowercase k? This is lowercase k. Yes? Very good. What is this? Once more please. K. Follow me. K. Ka sound. Yes? K. Ka sound. K is for kite. Ka sound. Yes? It gives ka sound. Okay. Now next one. What is this? Can you tell me? Which letter is this? Which letter? Z. Z. J is for jug. J is for jungle. Which sound? Ja sound. Yes? J is for jungle. Ja sound. J. Ja. Okay? Follow me. J. Ja sound. Okay? J. Ja sound. Good job. Next one. What is this? What is this? Tell me fast. What is this? Okay. M. M. Lowercase m. Yes? Which sound does it give? It gives ma sound. M is for monkey. M is for mango. Ma sound. Yes? It produces ma sound. It produces which sound? Ma sound. M is for monkey. M is for mango. Yes? M, ma. M, ma. Very good. Next one. What is that? Okay. This is L. Lowercase l. Okay. We are all the lowercase alphabets are being asked for you. Yes. So this is lowercase l. L. It produces la sound. Yes. L, la. Okay. Okay. L is for leg. Okay. So which letter is this? Which letter is this? L. It produces la sound. L, la. Lowercase l. Okay. Very good. You have already told what letters we have studied previously. So we are going to start Next one, we are going to do the next activity. Are you looking at your book? You can also look at your book. This is lesson 44. Okay, lesson 44. Are you looking there? Very good. You can look at page number 89. Okay, page number 89. I hope you are looking at your book too. So, turn page number 89. Okay, we have studied the letter. We have studied the letter. Now, look here. This is the alphabet N. Produces na sound. Uppercase N and lowercase n. N is for nurse. Na sound, yes. So, here we are going to study the words, okay. We are going to study the words. So, listen to me carefully and follow me, okay. Listen to me very carefully and follow me, okay. Look and say. First of all, look at the pictures, okay. Look at the picture. What is this? Nose, yes? Nose. So, N is for nose. N is for nose. N is for nose. N is for, what is this? Nest, yes? N is for nest. N is for nest. Next one, look at the picture. What can you see here? Nurse, yes? So, N is for nurse. N is for nurse. So, look at the highlighted words. Look at the red letter here, okay? Red letter. यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् रेड लेटरमा दिएको लेटर रेड कलरमा दिएको लेटरलाई हेर्नुहोस् त N, N, N. It means all these words start with the letter N. Yes, the letter N. And it produces the sound na. N is for nose, na sound. N is for nest, na sound. Yes. N is for nurse, na sound. Okay. So, these are the words starting with the letter N. Produces na sound. These are not only the words, there are so many words starting with the letter N. For example, some of you may have the name starting with N. N, okay? Navin, Nisa, Nanu. Yes, these are the name which start with the letter N. Yes, they produces the sound na. They produce the sound na. Okay. So, these are the words starting with the letter N. Let's read them once more. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Okay. मसँगै भन्नुस् है त अब N is for nose. N is for nose. N is for nose. Next one. N is for nest. N is for nest. N is for nurse. N is for nurse. Very good. Now, we'll start next activity. Can you name the pictures? Can you name the pictures? Once more, look at the picture and name them, okay? What is this? Nose. What is this? Nest. Yes. And what is this? Nurse. Yes. Very good. Okay, let's go to next activity then. Okay. Next activity is writing. Now look at page number 89 in your book. There is given the writing activity. Look here, you have to write N, both N, uppercase N as well as lowercase n. You have to, first of all, you have to write over the dots here, okay, over the dots. Are you ready with your pencil? Are you ready? So, take out your pencil. We will write here over the dot to make the letter N, okay. Are you ready to write? Did you turn page number 89? I hope you have already done and you are also ready there with your pencil. Are you ready? Okay, let's write. We have to make the letter N, both N, okay? Uppercase N as well as lowercase n. You have to write properly, okay, in full-lined paper. You know it very well because you have written other letters too previously. So, let's start writing. You have to start writing from here as the arrow shows us. Yes, look here, first arrow is given there. It means you have to start from here. Right over dot, okay? Draw line from here to here, like that, okay? Okay. And next arrow is there. So you have to write from here, okay? Right over the dots, okay? Join the dot and make alphabet. And next arrow is here, yes? You have to start from here. Good. We have made uppercase N, okay? Uppercase N, okay? Now let's write lowercase n. Lowercase n is written inside this box, okay? You don't have to go out of this box, okay? This box. So you have to start from here. Now you have to start as the arrow shows us, okay? Now let's start from here. And next arrow is you have to go in this way. Join the dots and make N. Uppercase N and lowercase n. Is it similar? Yes, they are similar. Let's complete it. I hope you are writing with me. Are you writing? Good job. Go on. Okay. Uppercase N and lowercase n. Again, uppercase N. Okay, let's write lowercase n. Okay, in this way you have to write. Now for others, you will write yourself. Can you write yourselves? Can you complete yourselves? Of course you can. I'll write once more, okay? I'll write one. So look at me carefully for this time. This is the last time that I write, okay? Look at the letter here. Start from here. Again go from here. Okay? Again start from here. N. Uppercase N. Yes. Now lowercase n. Start from here. Again start from here and up to here. Okay. For others, you will write yourselves. I'll not write all the letters. You have to complete it yourselves. अब आफै लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ है. डट डटमा तानेर के बनाउनु पर्यो? N बनाउनु पर्यो. Uppercase N means capital and lowercase n means small. Okay? Both the letter should be written by you. Okay? Okay, let's go to next activity. What is next activity? Look at your book. Now go to page number 90. Turn page number 90. You can see another activity here, okay? Now we will go to next activity on page number 90. Look at page number 90. There is coloring activity. What can you see there? Look there is coloring activity. We are going to start. Before starting this, you have to be ready with crayons or color pencils. You can also use color pencils if you don't have crayons, okay? So, let's start coloring. Okay? Look at the pictures. What can you see here? First of all, look at the whole pictures, okay? You can see so many pictures here. Inside the letter N. What is this? This is N. Uppercase N. This is big NS. This is big N. Within this N, there are lots of pictures, okay? There are lots of pictures. Now, you have to color the pictures that start with N, okay? That start with N. As you have already read some words like nose, nest, nurse, okay? So, you have to choose the picture that start with N and color them. I have cyan pen with me to color. You can choose what color you like, okay? You can choose your best color and color here, okay? You can choose your best color and color here, okay? Which color do you like? What is this? First of all, let's see the picture and color. Let's see the picture and color accordingly, okay? First of all, look here. What is this? This is nose. This is nose. Nose, okay? What does this start with? This nose start with N, okay? Nose. So, first of all, circle. First of all, start coloring nose, okay? Start coloring nose. Start from top to bottom, okay? And you can go left to right or right to left also. Don't go outside the box. Just color inside, okay? अब हामी के गर्छौं N बाट स्टार्ट हुने पिक्चरलाई चाहिँ कलर गर्छौं है आफ्नो फेभरेट कलर चुज गर्नुस् अनि त्यसपछि हामी कलर गर्छौं है nose starts with the letter N. So let's color it, okay? Nose. जुन कलरले कलर गरे पनि हुन्छ है हजुरहरुलाई कुन कलर मन पर्छ त्यही कलरले कलर गर्ने चुज योर बेस्ट कलर एन्ड कलर इट ओके यु क्यान कलर लेफ्ट टु राइट एन्ड राइट टु लेफ्ट ओके or top to bottom and in this way. Just fill the color here, okay? Nose. I'll color one picture and you have to color all the pictures yourselves, okay? I'll color one picture as example, then you have to color other pictures. We'll discuss about the picture and you have to color yourselves, okay? Are you coloring? You can draw a line from top to bottom, okay? You can also go left to right like this. I hope you have completed. Have you completed coloring the nose? Okay. If you have completed, let's go to next picture. Okay. Let's go to next picture. Look here. Look at the next picture. For other pictures, I'll just tell you, you have to color. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is pen. This is pen. Does it start with N? No. It starts with P. Okay. P is for pen. P is for pen. So you don't have to color it. Leave it. Okay. And let's look at this picture. What is this? What is this? This is a bird. Okay. This is a bird. Does the bird start with the letter N? No. It starts with the letter B. Okay. B is for bird. B is for bird. So you don't have to color it. Now look at next picture. What is this? This is nest. Nest. Does the nest start with the letter N? Yes. N is for nest. N is for nose. So you have to color nest here. Okay. Color the picture nest. I'll just tick it. You have to color yourselves. Okay. You have to color yourselves. I have given tick here. You have to color the nest yourselves with your best color. Okay. Choose your best color and color it. Okay. Now this is pen. It doesn't start with N. So you don't have to color it. Next picture. What is this? This is book. Does the book start with the letter N? No. B is for book. It starts with B. Okay. B sound. So you don't have to color it. So look at the next picture. What is this? This is jug. Jug starts with the letter J. J-U-G, jug. So it doesn't start with the letter N. You don't have to color it. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is net. This is net. What does the word net start with? It starts with the letter N. N is for net. N is for net. So you have to color the net. Okay. Now start from here. Complete yourselves. Okay. I have just started. You have to complete coloring yourselves. You can choose your best color and complete it. Color it. Okay. Okay. Look at next picture. What is this? This is the picture of a nurse. Yes. This is the picture of a nurse. So you have to color the picture because nurse starts with the letter N. N is for nurse, not M is for nurse. Yes. So N is for nurse. So color the picture nurse. Okay. Choose a color that you like. So color it. Now start from here. Okay. Here is generally black. So color with black. Okay. You can choose your best color too and color it. Okay. Okay. Now fill up with your best color. Color the picture of nurse with your best color. Okay. In this way, we have completed the coloring activity. Okay. Complete it as your homework. Okay. Complete all the pictures or color all the pictures that start with the letter N. Okay. Now we are going to start next activity from page number 90. Okay. That is reading activity. Now you can see the reading activity there in your book too. So look here. Read the letter. I'll show you the letters. You have to read it, and by joining the letter, we'll make the words. Okay. Okay, what is this? F for, okay? F, read. I'll show you. You can read it, okay? Follow me, okay? F. What is this? A. Next, N. So, read it once more. F, A, N. Now, look at the picture. What do these letters make? These letters make a word. Now, look at the picture. What is this? This is fan, yes? Now, spell the word fan. F, A, N, fan. F, A, N, fan, okay? Joining these letters, we made a word fan. F-A-N, fan. Follow me, okay? Now, next one. Look at next one. What is this? N. N. A. What is this? Read, okay? Read with me. N. A. I. L. N. A. I. L. What is this? Now look at the picture. Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Okay? So, it is the word that is formed with the letter N-A-I-L. Nail. Okay? These letters make this word nail. Okay? Read once more. N-A-I-L. Nail. You have to recite the spellings, okay? Okay. Next one. What is this? M-A-N. M-A-N. And look at the picture. What is this? Man. Yes? This is the picture of a man. So, let's make a word joining these letters, okay? Let's join the letters. M-A-N. Okay. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Okay. Next one. Let's see next one. What is this? It's A-N-D. Read it once more. It's A-N-D. Look at the picture. What is this? Hand. It's A-N-D. Hand. Let's make words joining this letter, okay? It's, now let's read it once more. It's A-N-D. Hand. Once more. Let's see next one. Next one, okay? It's, what is this? It's, okay? E-N. Let's read once more. What is this? It's E-N. Okay. What is this? Hen, yes? H-E-N, hen. Let's make a word by joining three letters, okay? H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen, okay? In this way, we made words joining the letters. You have to read the spellings, okay? So, we'll go to the last activity. We'll go to the last activity, that is writing. Copy, okay? This is for your homework. Okay. Look at your book. And page number 90, you will find the writing activity here. You have to copy the letters given here, okay? You have to write the letters that are given here in the similar way that is written, okay? I'll write only one. You have to write others yourselves, okay? Okay, let's write the alphabet N, okay? You have to start N in this way. Now look at the arrow and write, okay? You have to start. Draw line from here to here. Again, draw line from here to here. And again, draw line from here to here. Okay, N. uppercase N, okay? Let's write lowercase n, okay? Now, draw line from here. Again, start from here and end here. That's it. That is lowercase n, okay? And next one, L. Let's write L. What is this? L, okay? Start from here. L. Okay, L, uppercase L. Now let's write lowercase l, okay? Lowercase l, draw line. This is lowercase l, okay? Now let's write M. What is this? M. Let's write M. Draw line from here to here. Again, draw another line, okay? And let's go there and let's again write from here, okay? Okay, let's write lowercase m. For lowercase m, just draw line from here, then again start from here and again start from here, okay? This is lowercase m. Now what should we write here? K, uppercase K and lowercase k, okay? For K, draw line from here, okay? Draw line and again draw line from here, okay? And join here and let's draw another line, okay? Uppercase K. Now let's write lowercase k. For lowercase k, you have to draw line from here, but you have to write another lines only in this box, okay? So draw line from here, okay? Here and again draw line from here, okay? Uppercase k and lowercase k. We have copied. You have to also copy in the same way, okay? I hope you have enjoyed today's class. You have learned to make the alphabet by joining the dots, alphabet N, uppercase N as well as lowercase n, and you have also learned to color the picture that begins with the alphabet N, and we also have learned to copy the letters, and we also have learned to make words, to read the words, okay? So this much for today. We'll see in our next classes. Do your homework. Your homework is to complete all your tasks that we have started. So we'll see in our next classes. Have a good time. Bye-bye.